The Honorable Judges of Erlangga Speech Contest, thanks a million for the opportunity. So, I can deliver my speech today. Well, my name is Melani Wiji Ningtias. I come from Kaliwungu. The coronavirus disease outbreak is still evolving globally and remains a public health emergency of international concern. Like many other member states around the world, Indonesia is preparing to respond to additional cases and possible widespread transmission of the disease. World Health Organization advises people of all ages to take steps to protect themselves from the virus. For example, by following good hand hygiene, good respiratory hygiene, and maintain social distancing. It is particularly important for people who are within this high-risk group to avoid crowded places and close contact with anyone with respiratory symptoms, and regular hand washing and other protective measures. We need to share a collective responsibility to act to protect ourselves, our communities, and the most at risk among us. There is no need to panic. If you haven't gotten a COVID-19 vaccine, there are many steps you can take to prevent yourself and spreading it to others. And one of them is by wearing a mask. Wearing face mask is recommended as part of personal protective equipment and as a public health measure to spread the coronavirus disease-19 pandemic. Their use, however, is deeply connected to social and cultural practices and has acquired a variety of personal and social meanings. What should we do with enormous disposable mask waste? The surgical face mask, for instance, made up of polymeric materials. Current studies are mostly stated out that microplastic pollution should be a big deal because their enormous effect on the aquatic biota and the entire environment. Then, where did the tons of discharged face masks end up? For most people, disposal in the regular is the only option. The question is, can we really recycle the mask waste? The answer is yes, we can. How? For what? We can recycle them. We can do something with this material and we can renew their value. Apparently, it turns out that there are several ways that we can recycle the mask waste into recycled products that can be sold or useful for us. All we have to do is, first, the masks are collected and placed in quarantine for 4 days. Second, go on with your plan. What kind of new products you want to make? We can make crafts or new products like seedling bag, eco brick, net pot, wall tiling, pellets, and many more. Sometimes, the technique in recycle the mask waste is not through heating it, but adding a solution made from sodium hypochlorite. The solution is commonly found in cloth bleach products. Third, follow the instruction or procedure to make them. I think as long as we have a willing to do so, we have helped creating a healthy environment free of pollution mass waste. This kind of activity can also help increase people's income. So, what do you think? Do you agree with my statement here? If you do, please, let's keep the environment clean together by doing things that are useful for others. Thank you.